I'm Icha Talreja from Icha Talreja Designs, firefighting some questions for Wedding Wire India's social team. A client only ghosts me when the wedding gets called off, unfortunately. So if the client goes missing out on me, I know there's something not good in the hood. Also, there was this one time when this person from Australia had approached us to do some invitations for them, and suddenly after giving all the money, they disappeared. I did try to hunt them down on social media, but I could not. So yes, if you are seeing this interview, please reach out to me and please take your money. Outrageous? No, but over the top? Yes. A client of ours recently asked us to design an invitation box with the whole Ram Darbar inside the box. So when you open the box, there's music, there's light, there's all paraphernalia. But it's a beautiful invite, over the top, yes, and it's sacred, it's divine. So for high-profile clients, we do not hike up our prices. It totally depends on what they want. So the price actually varies for all the clients because it's all about how much time and resources that the project will require, and not just because they are high-profile clients. The most expensive mistake that I've made was very recently for a client who asked us to design a coffee table book invitation for their son's wedding. We were given deadlines that were unrealistic. The invitation turned out beautiful, but only to realize that one sequence had gone wrong, which yes, did turn out to be very expensive. So for all the high-profile clients, for celebrity clients, we have to keep it very secretive, even within the company. So till the time the invitations don't go out for printing, nobody in the team knows who it is being designed for. So no names, no venues, no decor, nothing is revealed to them. So yes, only while we are printing it, that's when we put the names on. I won't call it controversial, but I do find it very amusing when the clients come up and ask us to write no boxed gifts, because it just means get us cash packages, and it's very amusing. Not inappropriate, but I do find it very outdated when the client comes up and asks us to make caricatures, because I really don't think that we need invites with blob heads resembling the couple anymore. It's outdated. These were some fiery questions. With this, I would like to tell all my lovely brides out there that if you are looking out for a designer, do go on Instagram, look for a designer that you resonate with. Don't just go for big names, because your designer is going to be there for you from day one till the very end. So you have to make sure that you not only vibe with them on a creative wavelength, but also mentally. Thank you. And with this, I want to wish all of you a